If you're experiencing FPS drops while playing Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. This can significantly enhance game performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Navigate to the options menu and reduce settings such as resolution, texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. This can help alleviate performance issues on lower-end systems. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background. Applications like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume valuable system resources, leading to FPS drops during gameplay. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to the Control panel, select System, and then Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, choose Adjust for Best Performance to disable visual effects that may hinder game performance. Step 5. Monitor system temperature. Check your system's temperature to ensure it is not overheating. Use software tools to monitor CPU and GPU temperatures. If temperatures are high, consider cleaning your hardware or improving cooling solutions to prevent throttling. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming experience.